For me, I think Dastra is the tool that I can't do without. I can't imagine my life at Smartrecruiters as a DPO anymore without using Dastra. Hi, I'm Margreet Bruinsma. I'm the DPO, Data Protection Officer with Smartrecruiters.
Hello, my name is Thibaut. I'm a student worker at Smartrecruiters since 1 year and a half, and I'm also a student in La Sorbonne in digital law.
Smartrecruiters is an all-in-one hiring platform that allows organizations to hire faster and smarter. Our aim is to help organizations find and recruit the talent they need in order to succeed, and very important as well, to help people find a job that they really love. One other important topic for Smartrecruiters on privacy are data subject requests. As a sub-processor for our customers, we manage a lot of candidate profiles on their behalf. And as a result, managing these data subject requests is something that is very important. And our customers are very concerned with this topic as well. So this is an important part of what we do as well. So Dastra is an important tool for us as the privacy team at Smartrecruiters. We are a very small team. We have a lot of customers with a lot of data subjects, and as a result, we needed to have a comprehensive tool and a complete tool that allowed us to manage our day-to-day activities from a privacy perspective. One of the things Dastra is able to manage all of the aspects of the DPO job, one of the aspects that we have been looking at as well is that it was a European tool and not a tool built in the US, but really something that was tailored to what was needed for the GDPR. One other aspect that we have been looking at as well was its planning and task activities. And then we mainly are using Dastra today for two important aspects of the DPO job. One is the ROPA, the Register of Processing Activities, which are twofold for Smartrecruiters. We first need to have a controller ROPA, and on the other hand, as a data processor for our customers, we also need to have a processor ROPA. The controller ROPA is an important aspect, and we are still working on getting the processor ROPA as well into Dastra. And the other element of Dastra that we are using a lot are the data subject requests capabilities and the automation that is possible with help of Dastra as well.
Here at Smartrecruiters, we are using Dastra to manage the data subject request and to exercise the right of the individuals concerned by Smartrecruiters data processing. So Smartrecruiters was receiving a lot of requests. Some were automated, so we have also to automate our processes. And Dastra helped us a lot with our email account to automate, to identify automatically, and to save a lot of time for our process of DSARs. We gained a lot in productivity, and Dastra is really helping us to save time and to focus on the real threats that are important in the DSAR process. To facilitate our processes and to separate our data subject request, to categorize better, to classify the request, we implemented a widget in our Smartrecruiters website that allows an individual to exercise its right directly in the website of Smartrecruiters. We implemented it with help of Dastra, and we designed it also with the help of Dastra, and we completely tailored our process to manage the data subject request. It's a gain of productivity, and Dastra is helping us, is speeding up the process of managing the DSARs at Smartrecruiters, and with the help of Dastra, we are answering to the DSARs in a day. And the reporting functionality is helping us also a lot to valorize our work, to prove also the good practices and the guidelines of Smartrecruiters in the DSARS process. It's also helping us to have clear visibility in our process.
So we have chosen Dastra for a number of reasons. One of these reasons is that Dastra is able to help the DPO with all of its activities, all of the missions and tasks that the DPO needs to execute. It is also important that the ROPA features were very important. The DSR features that we just explained were an important topic. And then as well, the possibility to do planning and task management in the tool itself. We are currently exploring and working with our engineering teams as well to set up a kind of agile functioning in the tool with sprints that are more or less aligned with our engineering teams so that we can work the same way. And finally, important as well is that we have reporting possibilities that gives a lot more transparency and credibility to the job of the DPO, which I think is one of the biggest difficulties of the DPO. We do so much work. It's so much in the background. It's very difficult to justify all that has been done, and Dastra is helping with that. I love the AI features in Dastra. They have helped me a lot. They have helped me to win a lot of time. As a DPO, it might seem a little bit contradictory perhaps, but as the way Dastra has implemented artificial intelligence in the tool is in a closed environment. As a result, we are able to use it in a safe way. The way I have really benefited from Dastra's first AI features is when I worked on the ROPA. Because it has helped me to really speed up the creation of the processing activities. We have a lot of them, and it wasn't always easy for our data owners and processing activity owners to understand how they needed to craft these processing activities. The AI features of Dastra really help the data owners to better understand how to create a processing activity. It means that you don't need to start from a white page. Very simple. It saves a lot of time. And we have been able to speed up the creation of the ROPA tremendously. The other thing was sometimes, because when I started to work with that, I was thinking, can a DPO use AI to generate a register of processing activities? And I must admit that it has completely changed my way of looking at how AI can be used in the company. And I think this will really help Smartrecruiters as well to see, from my perspective at least, to see how I can help as a DPO my colleagues with implementing AI in Smartrecruiters as a company, but also as a software vendor.
Dastra was also really easy to use as a user. As a beginner, it's intuitive, and the UX and the UI is also great for me. So that is perfect from a starting point. Also, Dastra is having a great support team, a great time delay to answer and to solve the problem. So I am super satisfied also with this. And also the big point that is making Dastra for me a super brilliant partner is that Dastra is helping us at Smartrecruiters to manage different projects. It is tailoring its approach to us and advising us to how can we make the project successful in their own platform. And one last word to finish, Dastra is super helpful.
For me, I think Dastra is the tool that I can't do without. I can't imagine my life at Smartrecruiters as a DPO anymore without using Dastra.